Hey all, welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Raj Kumar. Today we are going to create this 3D model object. I have downloaded the sample image for the reference. We'll create this step by step. Before getting into this video, please make sure you have covered previous sets of Blender videos. Let's get into the Blender workspace. By default, we will be landed in the object mode. If you see, this is the object mode, which has the minimal options. I don't want this cube. Let's delete it. These are the axes. Select x-axis. You will get the center point. So the cursor is the center point. Now load the reference image. Either you can go with the Shift A or else go with Add. Under Image, select the reference. Here is my reference image. Load the reference image. If you see, the image loaded in a center. So let it be in the x-axis. First, we are going to create bench. Let's reduce the opacity of the image. Select the image, go to object data property. This is the one, and check the use alpha so that you are enabled to control the opacity. This is fine. To develop the bench, I'm going to use cylinder mesh. You can get that by calling Shift A or the add option. Under that, you will see mesh. Under mesh, you will see the cylinder. Select the cylinder. Now rotate the cylinder by using the rotate option. So I want to rotate to the 90 degree. Yeah. Here you can control the angle, axis, the orientation. Now I'm going to scale this to the bench size. Scale. For this is the scale option. Scale this. Good. So move to the exact place. Again scale it. You can zoom it by using middle button. Now you have to scale y-axis till the curve. So for these curves, we're going to use a sphere. If you drag using the middle button, you will see the cylinder is not in a proper. So for that, we're going to scale from x-axis. So select the y. You will get the x-axis control. So scale this to get exact cylinder, which means a circle. Yeah, now we got the circle. If you go to x, now we're going to add the curve. For the curve, we are going to add sphere. Again, Shift A to get the mesh UV sphere. Let's move this to edit mode so that we will get the detailed of the object. For this curve, I'm going to make the sphere into half. Press Z to get the shading. Let's select the wireframe shading. I'm going to bisect this. So click on X. Select the half and X. Delete the vertex. So you will get the half. Now come back to the object mode. Select Z solid shape, rotate by using the rotate option. -90. Now we're going to scale it. If you scroll to different axes, you will see this is in a irregular shape. So we have to scale this as well. Again, scale, select scale. Make sure the right measurement. I'm going to use the same thing for the other side. So select Shift D to duplicate the object. So here is our duplicate. This way. Now rotate. Now move. The bench top part is over. Now we have to give the stand. So for that, I'm going to use the same cylinder. Shift A, again cylinder. Now scale it. Make some finish. Move. Yeah, the right shape. Again move. Little more scale. Again move. Even more. Again. Yeah. So if you see in the z-axis, you'll see we have more work for the to get the circle axis. We're going to duplicate the for the other side. So Shift D to duplicate is here. It should move a little more up. So the stand is ready. So in the right side, in the screen collection, you can hide the image and you can see the exact object what we have created. So far we have used 3 cylinders. We can make into one. So select everything and right click and join so that it will be converted into a single object. Let's continue on the next video.